Welcome to our tutorial on starting a concrete-to-concrete design on PROFIS Engineering. In this video, we will take you through the initial steps and the key considerations in starting a concrete project on PROFIS Engineering. Today, we will, in this video, take you through the key considerations and laying the foundations for a successful concrete structure. So, let's dive in. Concrete-to-concrete module in PROFIS Engineering now includes concrete overlay and post-installed rebar. As we select post-installed rebar, it takes us to the home software interface. As we toggle through the icons available on the left, this is where we input the requirements for our design. As you can see, the design method selected currently is AS5216 and AS3600. The load types available for us are static design, which then ensures that we can design to 50 years design life or 100 years design life. As we toggle through the options on the left, the connections available to us are lap splices and end anchorage. As we select end anchorage, the applications available to us range from wall to slab connections to beam to column. As we select one of these applications, the software allows us to change between 2D and 3D design. To your right, the design methods available to us are AS5216 and AS3600, but now it also includes the AFAC Technical Note 8 Volume 2. Depending on the loads that have been inputted into the design, the software will give us the drilling length and the embedment depths for the particular design. To your top, you have the products that are selected for this design, but we also have the option of selecting HY200 along with RE500. Oh hey, you're still there! We hope you enjoyed today's content. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.